AC Bonifacio, and today we are going to be opening a special package. Nagpadala ulit ang Jentle Monster. Yes! Evie, come here! It has been a while. I think it's been just actually a few months, but like, ganito kalaki na package, it's been a while. I have an idea of what it is. She just posted about it, so I'm very excited to see. It's been at my door for 3 to 5 days na. Hindi namin mapasok sa condo kasi ang laki. So, nasa labas lang talaga siya ng condo. So, finally, we'll be opening this together and we will react all together. Okay! Alrighty! Okay. Ang laki! Taas. Look at what first open. Jentle Monster and Jenny. Oh my gosh. You hear that? May sounds. May sound siya. No. It's like magical fairy tale. Hala, grabe. Paano kung 3 days na siya nagsasound? May sound siya. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, it is the new, I think she calls it Jentle Salon collaboration with Jentle Monster. It's my 3rd time doing this with Jenny and Jentle Monster. With Jentle Monster! Nalang niyo si Jenny, baka mabash na naman ako. So excited to see what she has in store for us now. I still wear her first glasses until now and her second, everything that they give me. Let's open it. It's a cute little parang gift box with her name here and Jentle Monster there. And then there's a cute little pink bow on top. Alright. Game? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Yay! Ang cute! At yung pinost ni Jenny, kaya medyo alam ko na din. Does it make sound? Alam ko talaga it makes sound. Oh my gosh! Yan yung gumagalaw kanina. Kaya siya may noise. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's a note. Hindi talaga siya letter. It's instructions. Pat the unicorn's nose bridge. Use the enclosed key to open the lock. Okay, so we did the tapping kanina. Here's the key. Where's the lock? Here! On the unicorn muna, may mga hairpins. Let's use the hairpins. So we have the hairpins, and then they show us one glasses already. Whoa! Look at that! Tapos heart yung side niya. Okay, that's the first one. This is the case for the glasses. Ang cute! And it has everything that you need inside. So that's for the first pair. Let's check out the other pairs. Oh, sorry. Mamaya ka na. Ito ka muna. Okay. And the case. Okay. Eto na. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my! Look at the charms! Alright, eto na yung totoong letter. Let us open it up. Okay, it says, Dear friend, discover an imaginative and unique collection, Jentle Salon, dreamed by yours truly, Jenny and Jentle Monster. Hope you enjoy. Look at the card. Perfect! So, it comes with 6 different pairs of glasses and also some charms that you can put on the glasses. We're gonna discover how to do that together. Yeah, game. Okay, what is this? Suklay! May suklay! Ang galing! Okay, so this one is the Jentle Monster Jenny in barrette with the hearts on the side. This one is donut bun. So ito yung charm. So it has 2 little like hooks on each side. And then if you take a charm. So, kasi ako, sobrang sanay ako with Jentle Monster that they always have this design here. So I didn't think you could take it off. But you can. You just push it out. And then, boom, popped out. And then you can put in any one of the charms that are here. Let's do a bow. What matches this? Ooh, let's do this is this fire. And it has 2 hooks on it too. And then you just place it in. Boom. Fire! That's so cool. Now you have your own unique pair of Jentle Salon. Next we have the baby pony. Baby pony. We're gonna remove again. Boom! There's 2 capybara charms. We'll do this one also. Oh, that's so cute! Okay, that's my capybara sunglasses. Next, we have the cheveux de Nini. Eto naman, let's do the bow. I feel like I'm in outer space. Wow! There's the charms. I love this one. This one is Hush. Same thing, just pop it out. I think this will also be one of my favorites. Love. Okay, and last but not least, this one is giving very Y2K vibes. Very Y2K. Oh my god. There, wala. Joke. Anyways, that was all 6 of the glasses. We still have an extra 2 charms. So you can always just mix and match and change it to your mood, however you feel. But yeah. Alrighty, and that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed trying to figure this out with me. I had so much fun. Thank you so much, Jentle Monster. Thank you, Jentle Salon. Thank you, Jenny, for sending this over to me. Make sure to grab your guys' Jentle Salon at the nearest Jentle Monster. Thank you. Bye.